What are the quantum numbers? Numbers which are useful to complete description or explanation of an electron in an atom is called quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are different types. They are the principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and fourth one is a spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. The importance is the significance of quantum numbers. Principal quantum number signifies size and energy. Size and energy of an electron. Then azimuthal quantum number signifies shape of orbital. Shape of orbitals. Magnetic quantum number signifies spatial orientation of an orbital. Spin quantum number signifies spinning of an electron. Means the electron may revolve either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So spin quantum number is a independent quantum number. Spin quantum number is a independent quantum number. Observe clearly, magnetic quantum number depends on the L. Azimuthal quantum number depends on the principal quantum number. The numbers which are useful to complete explanation of an electron in an atom is called quantum numbers. Is it clear? Then after that, we know that Bohr theory, then de Broglie theory, and the Heisenberg's principle is explain the properties of microscopic particles. Cannot explain the macroscopic particles or macroscopic bodies. The properties of macroscopic bodies will explain by one of the equation, Schrödinger wave equation. Schrödinger wave equation. Classical mechanics, like a quantum mechanics, will explain the quantum mechanics, will explain the Schrödinger wave equation. Schrödinger wave equation is explained by properties of macroscopic particles or macroscopic bodies. Is clear? What is Schrödinger? This is, or it was proposed by Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Schrödinger. According to Schrödinger, the equation is this is one of the constant. This one indicates the dou. This one indicates the psi, which is called, the symbol is dou. The symbol is dou. It is called dou. It is a constant. This is called psi. This is called psi. Psi. P is a silent. Psi. Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square E minus V, E minus V into psi equal to 0. This one should be Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation. For short answer question, like a very short answer question, write the Schrodinger wave equation. Explain each term it. What is Schrodinger wave equation? Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v into psi equal to 0, where dou is a constant. Dou is a constant. Then what are the terms? Which is called psi. Which is called psi. The significance of psi is called wave function. Psi is called wave function. Psi may be positive or negative. Positive or negative. Psi must be continuous. Psi must be continuous. What is the significance of psi? Psi should be wave function. Psi should be wave function. Maybe positive or negative. It is must be continuous. Psi must be continuous. What is the significance of psi? Psi is said to be, this is called psi. Psi must be wave function. Psi may be positive or negative. Psi must be continuous. Then x, y, z are reaction coordinates. Reaction coordinates are Cartesian axis. Cartesian axis. X, Y, Z are, observe clearly, the compounds are different types. Unidimensional. Unidimensional means only one axis is there. Two-dimensional, two axes are there, like x and y. Two-dimensional. Three-dimensional, x, y, z. Is it clear? Unidimensional, two-dimensional, only one dimension. Two-dimensional, two-dimensional means x, y and axis. Three-dimensional, x, y, z axis. Is it clear? Where x, y, z are Cartesian axis or coordination axis. Coordination axis. M is the mass of the particle. M is mass. H is the Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. E is energy, total energy. E is the total energy. Then V is the potential energy. V is the potential energy. Potential energy. What is the Schrodinger wave equation? What is the Schrodinger wave equation? Explain each term. Schrodinger wave equation. He explained the properties of macroscopic bodies. Is it clear? There are, the Schrodinger wave equation is dou, it is a constant. Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v into psi. What is the psi? Psi is said to be wave function. Psi is said to be wave function or amplitude. Psi is said to be wave function or amplitude of the wave. It may be, psi may be, what is the significance in 2 marks? Psi may be positive, negative, or also zero. Psi must be continuous. Psi must be continuous. Is it clear? It is the significance of psi. XYZ are Cartesian co-axis or Cartesian coordinates. M is the mass of the particle. H is a Planck's constant. E is total energy. V is the potential. Observe clearly. Total energy means sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Sum of general is here E minus V na. E is the total energy. What is total energy? Ke plus Pe. It is a E minus Pe plus E Pe cancel to get kinetic energy. E minus V is said to be kinetic energy, while E is the total energy, V is the potential energy. Is it clear? This is called Schrodinger wave equation, and also may written as, observe clearly, up to here psi, here psi. In all cases, psi is common. Therefore, this one. In all cases, psi is to take a common psi. What is this symbol? This symbol is called del. This symbol is called del. As for pronunciation, del square psi. As pronunciation, del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square E minus V into psi equal 0. Therefore, what is del? Del square said to be psi square, dou square, dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Is it clear? This is called del. Del square. Delta symbol should be, in all cases, psi is common. To take one of the constant, that is a del, which is said to be del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V into psi equal to 0. This is called Schrodinger wave equation. Noted? What is the psi? Psi is wave function. Psi is wave function. Psi may be positive or negative. The result becomes zero. The result becomes zero. Then what is the psi square? Psi is, what is psi? Psi is a wave function. The wave function may be positive or negative. May be positive or negative. Then what is the psi square? If the generally psi is negative value, psi is negative value, on squaring the negative value becomes positive. Is it clear? Psi square. Psi square is called probability function. Psi square is called probability function. Psi is called wave function. Psi square is called probability function. Then psi square must be positive. Must be positive. If psi value is negative, on squaring, the negative value becomes positive. Psi must be positive. What is the significance? Probability function. Psi is a probability function. Here, the significance generally, the probability of finding an electron in three-dimensional space. Here important. Previously we know that we discussed later. Orbital. What is a orbital? Generally, psi square is maximum. Psi square is maximum are called atomic orbital. Psi square is maximum are called atomic orbital. Minimum are called nodal plane. In three-dimensional space, 3D. In three-dimensional space, 3D. 3D means three-dimensional space. Like, what is three-dimensional? They containing X, Y, and Z axis. In three-dimensional space, around the nucleus, three-dimensional space, around the nucleus, where the probability of finding an electron, the probability of finding an electron is maximum. Maximum means nearly 95%. Maximum, nearly 95%. Maximum is called atomic orbital. What is a orbital? Simply, psi square is maximum, where in three-dimensional space, around nucleus, the probability of finding electron. The probability of finding electron means like a psi square. Psi square is maximum. Are called atomic orbital. Is it clear? What about remaining? Sometimes, in all cases, not a maximum. Sometimes our minimum value is there. This is called nodal plane. What is the nodal plane? Nodal plane means the probability of finding the probability of finding an electron is like a psi square is 0 are called nodal plane the probability of finding electron like a psi square is 0 are called nodal plane. Minimum is called like 0. Minimum is called nodal plane. Maximum is called orbital. What is psi square? Psi square is to be probability function. Psi must be positive or negative. Psi must be positive. Generally, psi must be positive or negative. While psi square is always positive. Why? If the psi is a negative value, on squaring, it becomes positive. Is clear? What is where the probability of finding electron is maximum? The probability of finding electron is maximum are called atomic orbital. Minimum are called nodal plane. Number of nodal planes is equal to L. Number of nodal planes in particular orbital equal to L. L is 0 for s orbital, 1 for p orbital, 2 for d orbital, 3 for f orbital. If L is equal to 0, the electron belongs to s orbital, 1 p orbital, 2 d, 3 f orbital, etc. Is it clear? Note. Okay. Generally, Schrodinger wave equation containing two parts. That is a psi of n l m. N is called principal quantum number. L is called azimuthal quantum number. M is called magnetic quantum number. Psi is equal to like R, like a R, theta, like theta, and pi, like pi. Schrodinger wave equation is simplified. Schrodinger wave equation contains three parts. They are the radial part and angular part. Radial part and angular. The radial part like this one, it is called radial part. This is called angular part. Here, what is the R? Here, psi should be wave function. Psi should be wave function. R is it is a function, indicates distance from the nucleus. Distance from the nucleus. Distance like a radius. Radius like a distance from the nucleus. From the nucleus. Okay. Then theta. Here L and M. L and M. It is a function which depends on azimuthal quantum number and magnetic quantum number, which depends on L and M, L and M. Then pi, it is a M. It is also function which depends on only magnetic quantum number, only magnetic quantum number. Is it clear? See here, no need in examination. We have required to graphs, different graphs drawn between the psi and distance, or psi square and distance. Is it clear? Right. In this one, like a graphs drawn between the psi and r. First of all, it is also simplified that. Psi of. It also simplified that psi of r, like r, a l m, which is called radial part, which is called radial part, which is called angular part. The Schrodinger wave equation is simplified that two parts, one is the radial part, one is the angular part. Radial part r. What is r here? Distance from the nucleus. A is the angular part, means which depends on the L and M. What is L? L is said to be azimuthal quantum number. M is said to be magnetic quantum number. Is it clear? Now, the graphs drawn between the graphs. For the object examination, graphs psi versus r. Psi versus r. Psi, what is a psi? Wave function. Psi is a wave function. R is a distance from the nucleus. The graph. Observe clearly. It is one of the graphs. The graph drawn between the psi and r, Here I will write 1, 0. In examination point of view, in graphs, like psi of n, l, m. Schrodinger wave equation relates to principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic. Principal, azimuthal, magnetic quantum number is derived from the Schrodinger wave equation. Spin quantum number is not related to Schrodinger wave equation. Schrodinger wave equation is a Schrodinger wave equation explain the principal, azimuthal and magnetic quantum number. Like simply psi of 3 to 1, like this one. This indicates the 3 is the n value, 2 is the l value, 1 is the ml. Therefore, which orbital is there? Third orbital. If L is equal to 0, s orbital. 1, p orbital. 2, d orbital is a 3d orbital. It is a 3d orbital. Is clear here also? Psi 1, 0. N L, like is a 1s orbital. The graph drawn between the psi and r, it gives a curve. Next one, it is a 1s orbital. Then it is a 1s orbital. Psi, it is a 1. It is 0 means n value, l value. N value is 1, first orbit. L equals 0, the electron belongs to s orbital, 1s. Then psi 2 comma 0, psi 2 comma 0, n value 2, L value 0, it is a 2s orbital, for 2s orbital. 2s orbital. Then the graph drawn between psi 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0 means which is a 3s orbital like R. So, observe clearly. This is the graph drawn between the psi and R, L psi and R. This, the point is contact with axis. This is called node. You observe here, maybe it is a negative value. What about here? Positive. Psi may be positive, negative, or here 0. Psi value 0 are called node. Psi square is 0 are called nodal plane. That is the difference. Here node. Here how many nodes? Here 1, here 1. How many nodes are there? 2 nodes. Negative, positive, negative. For this one, for this graph, number of nodes equal to n minus 1. Number of nodes is equal to n minus 1. Is it clear? What is n? N is a principal quantum. Observe clearly. Here 1s. N value in 1. 1 minus 1. 0 has no node is there. 2s. N value is 2 na? 2 minus 1 has only one node. 3s. 3 minus 1. 2 nodes. 1, 2. This is like a, which is maybe negative, positive, negative. Is it clear? This is called node. To take one more example, 4s orbital. We are required to formula. Number of nodes is equal to n minus 1. Important for the object examination. The number of nodes are possible for 3D orbital. Number of nodes possible for 3D orbital. How many nodes? Number of nodes. 3D orbital. What is the node formula? N minus 1. What is n value? 3. 3 minus 1. 2 nodes. No, here nodes does not relates to D, like a D orbital, like a L value. Is it clear? Right. One more. The graph drawn between the psi square and R. Psi square and R. What happened here? Psi square and R. Here for 1s orbital. The graph drawn between the psi square and R, like this one. The graph drawn between the psi square and R for 2, 0. Here. What happened here? This is called nodal plane. This is called nodal plane. Is it clear? It is a 2, 1. 2, 1 means 2p orbital. This is called nodal plane. And one more is the graph drawn between the size like a radial probability. The number of nodes is equal to n minus 1. The number of nodal planes. The number of null planes is equal to L number of angular node is equal to L. What is L value? L value is s orbital. For s orbital is equal to 0. For p orbital 1. For d orbital 2. Then number of radial node is equal to n minus L minus 1. N minus L minus 1. Number of peaks is equal to n. Number of peaks is equal to n. All are the important for the object examination. Number of peaks. The graph drawn between the radial probability is the radial probability is 4 pi r square, then psi square r d. Is clear? This is a radial probability and r, which gives it is a 1 s orbital. Then one more is a is a 2 s orbital. Observe clearly. Number of peaks here. Number of peaks, only one peak, na? N value is 1. Here number of peaks are 2. 2 peaks are possible. 2 s orbital. For 2 s orbital is 0.529 angstrom. 0.529 angstrom. Here 2.7 angstrom. Observe here the number of this. It is the graph drawn with the radial probability and r, which gives all r curves na psi square, which is called peak. Here number of radial nodes are n value is 1, L value is 0. Here 1 minus 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here not this line cannot contact with axis, so has no radial node. But here it is the graph drawn between the radial probability and r gives radial node. Only psi and r, which is a node, radial probability and r gives radial node. The number of radial nodes are n value 2, L value, it is s orbital. For s orbital is equal to 0, minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is called radial node. The number of radial nodes are n minus L minus 1. The number of nodes are L. The number of these are the important. And radial nodes n minus 1. Number of nodal planes L. What is the nodal plane? Where the probability of finding electron is maximum are called orbital, minimum are called nodal plane, are also called as nodal plane. Nodal. For object examination, these are important. Some important objective questions. The number of nodes, nodal planes for nodes, nodal planes for 4s, 3D orbitals are respectively. Options are given. Three comma 1. Second option 4 comma 2. Third option 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2. Fourth option 2 comma 1. The number of nodal plane nodes, the number of nodes, nodal planes for 4s, 3 orbitals are respectively. Try this one. Number of nodes formula. Number of nodes formula for 4s orbital. For 4s orbital, n value is 4, L value is 0. Okay, it is s orbital. For 3D orbital, n value is 3, L value is 2. L value is 2. Number of nodes formula 3D orbital. To take only number of nodes, nodal planes, number of nodes are possible for 4s orbital. Possible for 4s orbital. Okay. Try this one. The number of nodes are possible for nodes and nodal plane. Number of nodes, nodal planes possible for 4s orbital. Try this one. Number of nodes, nodal planes possible for 4s orbital. For here, for 4s orbital, number of nodes is equal to number of nodes. Formula n minus 1, n value 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Nodal plane is equal to L value 0, 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. The number of nodes, nodal planes possible for 4s orbitals respectively. 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. Noted? One more exercise. The sum of angular momentum, orbital angular momentum, nodal plane like angular node, nodal plane, radial node of 3D orbital. 3D orbital is this one. The sum of orbital angular momentum, nodal plane, radial node of 3D orbital. For solution, for 3D orbital, n is equal to 3. Okay, n is equal to 3. L is equal to 2. L is equal to 0, s orbital. 1, p orbital. D, 2 is d orbital. Sum of angular momentum. What is the orbital angular momentum? Orbital angular momentum formula. Orbital angular momentum is square root of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. Is it clear? Substitute L value square root of 2 into 2 plus 1 h by 2 pi, that is equal to 2 3s are root 6 into h by 2 pi. Okay, right. It is orbital angular momentum. Nodal plane is equal to formula L value is 2. Then radial node is equal to n value 3, L value 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Orbital angular momentum is root 6 h by 2 pi. Radial node is 2, nodal plane is 2, radial node is 0. To get sum, that is equal to sum of root 6 h by 2 pi plus 2 plus 0. Okay, that is equal to, to take LCM, 2 pi is LCM. Root 6 h plus 4 pi. Note down. Root 6 h plus 4 pi by 2 pi. This is the sum of the orbital angular momentum, nodal plane, radial node of 3D orbital. Note down. Next class will continue.